Hi lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. Is this mean jewelry? I'm here with an elegant bracelets tutorial, and I have brought this tutorial for you today, uh, and I hope you would like it. Let's get started. We have picked 12 seed beads, shaded, multicolors, shaded seed bead 11. We have to tie double knot here. We are making knots to secure it. Now we have to start first round. In this round we have to add 5 beads, seed beads, 2 seed bead 11 plus 1 seed bead black 8 plus 2 seed bead 11. We pass through the previous round's bead, and now we are adding again 5 beads as we added before. Now we have to continue the same addition, the same beads in same number till the end of this round. We are adding, passing through seed beads we beaded in the beginning, so we have to add in this way in this round. We will make in this way a little beaded flower in this way, adding seed beads of multi-shaded. Now we have completed 6 petals are here. We have to work further on these petals. Now we have started second round. In this round we have to add small bugle beads, silver and multi-shaded bugle, silver black multi-shaded bugle beads. We will add 3 bugle beads each time, and in this way we will add, passing through seed beads, we will add these small bugle beads, and we are completing this round with same beads, same number. 6 petals are added with bugle beads. Now we have started next round. In this round we are adding 3 seed bead multi-shaded 11. We have to add these beads, passing through small bugle bead from one bead to skipping center bead. We have to enter next bead, and now we have to add in this round, after seed beads 11, we have to add 1 8 seed 8 seed bead blacks, seed bead 8 between 2 bugle beads. Again we have to add 3 seed bead 11. Our thread is coming out from bugle bead. Here we have to add seed beads. Now we have to add 1 seed bead 8 between 2 bugle beads. We came out from bugle bead. When we came out from bugle bead, here we have to add 3 seed bead more. In this way we will complete 6 petals. We will add 3 seed beads and 1 seed bead 8 each time, and in this way we have completed our first flower. We have to make more 4 flowers. Total we have to make 5 flowers for this bracelet. First we will make these flowers. When we will make one flower, we will finish it with making some finishing knots, and we will trim the thread. In this way we will complete 5 flowers. Now we have to join these flowers. This is joining step. We are joining with, we picked 2 seed bead. We pass through seed bead of one flower, and then we pass through the next flower seed bead, adding 2 more seed beads. In this way we are joining all beaded flowers of this bracelet. We have total 5 beaded flowers. According to your arm size, you can add 1 more flower, and if it looks you short, so you can make it long with adding 1 more flower. Instead of 5, you can make 6 flowers. Now we are taking the next step. Here we have to add 1 crystal bead for which we will use for our bracelet clasp. We will add here, first we added 5 seed beads, 11. Now we pass through 3 first seed beads of 5. We pass through 3 seed beads, and now here we have to add 6 seed bead with 1 crystal bead, blue color crystal bead 8 mm, and 1 seed bead. Skipping 1 seed bead, we pass through crystal beads hole, and then we have to add more 6 seed beads. Here we are adding, we are passing through the third bead of this beading part. We have to add here this clasp crystal bead. Now here we have to make some finishing knots and trim the extra thread. After doing this, we will go to the other end, the other side of our bracelet, to complete the clasp process. Now we will make a little beaded circle, little beaded ring for our clasp. We have to pick here 18 seed bead 11 multi-shaded seed beads 11 to make here clasp ring. We will reinforce here our beaded circle, our clasp beaded ring. We reinforce here. Now we are making finishing knots, and here we will trim the thread after making knots, and in this way we have completed our beaded seed beads bracelet. Very elegant. I hope you would like it, its color combinations and its style. This is very easy and very unique, very easy pattern to follow. You can easily make it, and it is very nice looking. Multi-shaded beads, seed beads, bugle beads, and seed bead 8, and with crystal bead I made it its clasp, its final look. You can see on your screens our bracelet's final look. I hope you would like it, so don't forget to subscribe your own beading tutorials channel, Easy Samin Jewelry. It's your own channel. Lovely viewers, don't forget to watch and comment and like and share. Make your channel successful with your comments and bots and likes and sharing and subscriptions. I will say bye now. Lots of love. Take care. Thanks for watching.